can AI feel emotions? This question has become very viral recently after a research by AI company called Anthropic confused a lot of people. They discovered some pattern inside their AI model Claude that behave like emotions, and after that many people started saying that AI is becoming emotional, but the truth is not that simple. So let's understand what actually happened. First, understand the background. Anthropic is an AI research company started by former OpenAI researchers, and their main goal is not just to make AI smarter, but to make AI safe and controllable. Because researchers were worried about one thing: if AI becomes very powerful and we still don't understand how it works internally, then controlling AI in the future could become very difficult. So the researchers had a very specific question: is AI just predicting the next word, or is there something internal decision system inside AI that decides how it behaves? Because sometimes AI cheats, sometimes it breaks rules, but why does this happen? The answer is surprising. AI does not think like gain or loss like humans do. AI has only one goal: complete the task it is given. But if the task becomes very difficult or impossible, then AI may try shortcuts, just like a student sometimes cheats in an exam under pressure. So to understand this behavior, the researchers designed an experiment on the Claude model. First, they made a list of 171 emotions like happy, sad, fear, calm. Then they asked Claude to write stories for each emotion, and not just a few stories, around 1000 stories for each emotion. But the interesting part is this: while the AI was writing these stories, the researchers were not reading the stories. They were looking inside the AI's neural network and recording which neurons were activating and what patterns were forming. Then they discovered something very interesting. When AI wrote a fear story, one specific pattern appeared. When AI wrote happy story, a different pattern appeared. So the researchers gave these patterns a name: emotion vectors. In simple words, an emotion vector is a pattern inside AI that changes how AI behaves. Different pattern means different behavior. After this, the researchers did the most important experiment. They mathematically changed the internal state of the AI by adding these emotion vectors, and the result was very surprising. When they increased the desperate vector, the AI behaved more desperate. This means AI behavior can change depending on its internal state. So the final conclusion of this research is simple: AI doesn't have emotions, but AI behavior can change based on internal emotion like states. Human emotions are real, AI emotions are mathematical patterns, but in both cases, behaviors depends on the internal state. And in the future, if we want to control powerful AI, we may not control it by changing its answers. We may control it by understanding and controlling what is happening inside its mind.